I'm going to show you how to do our wedding guest look. How to do wedding guest look. How to do. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a time. So hi you guys.
So this makeup my channel fuck me. So makeup my channel fuck me.
Use wet and by.
Take me home tonight. I just wanna show you the true light. Light me up and make me feel
Okay, so hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nazma. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a wedding guest makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And yes, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon for further updates. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to prep my face. Here I am using Purple's facial oil for prepping my face and moisturizing my face. So I'm just going to massage my face using the facial oil and let it absorb on my skin. So next I'm going to use a primer. So here I have used Wet n Wild's primer. So basically I'm going to use this primer all over my T-zone just to fill in my pores. And I will just drag the primer all over my face for a smooth base. So I will just let the primer absorb on my skin very nicely. So now we are going to start the eye makeup. So for that I'm just priming my lids using Maybelline's concealer in the shade 15. With a damp beauty blender I'm going to blend my concealer. So firstly I'm going to set my lids using Rimmel's compact powder. So now I have set my lids. For today's eye makeup look I'm going to use Imagic's eyeshadow palette. So for that, firstly I'm going to mix these yellow and orange shade with the brown color, with this brown color. So now I'm going to place the eyeshadow. This palette has a lot of colors but it is not that much pigmented. I'm just mixing this color, yellow, orange and brown. Just mixing these three colors. So now I have blended the transition shade. So now I am going to do my one eye off camera. So I did my one eye off camera. Now I'm going to do the next eye. So what I have done is I have just mixed this green shimmer shade with this blue and purple shade. And just placing the shimmers onto my lids. Basically I'm just putting the shimmers onto my lids but not above my crease. So now I'm just going to blend this shadow using a fluffy brush. So now I'm just going to fill in my brows. For that I'm going to use a pomade. So now I'm going to clean my brows using this concealer from Wet n Wild. So now I'm going to draw a wing liner. For that I'm going to use Lakme's Insta eyeliner. So wing eyeliner is drawn. So now I'm going to curl my lashes using a lash curler. So now I'm going to use a mascara. So here I have used Wet n Wild's mascara. I'm going to coat my lashes. So now I'm going to do my falsies off camera. So now I'm going to use a color corrector for hiding my pigmentation. I'm going to blend this color corrector with a damp beauty blender. So now I'm going to use this to foundation. Okay, so foundation is now blended. So my foundation is completed. Now I'm going to use a concealer. So for that I'm going to use a concealer from Wet n Wild. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend the concealer. I know this is a full coverage kind of look, but trust me, it will look nice on your skin. So now I'm going to set my face using this compact from Rimmel. Now I'm using a dry sponge for the compact. Using a big fluffy brush, I'm going to just set my whole face. So now I'm going to use a brown shade and just smoke my lower lash line. So now I have smoked my lower lash line. So I'm just going to use a tad bit of the same orange shade mixing with yellow just to blend the brown shade. So now I'm going to use a kajal on my waterline. So for that I'm going to use a kajal from NY Bay. So now I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. For that I'm going to use a highlighter from Maybelline. So now for the lips I'm going to use I Amsterdam's lipstick. Okay, so now I'm going to use a blush from Wet n Wild. So next I'm just powder contouring my face. So for that I'm using Wet n Wild's contouring palette for bronzing my face. Using the same Maybelline's highlighter for highlighting my whole face. So yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys will like it. Sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. Until then, bye.